Good morning everyone, myself Bean Reddy from 10 CBSE. So today I'm here to discuss about nomenclature of organic compounds which is present in 10 CBSE. I know this is hard, but I will tell you in such a easy way that which was told by our Ashok sir. So this is a 5-core system, but in our textbook they have given 11-core system, which is pretty hard. So in the 5-core system, first one is root word, which is nothing but number of carbons. If there is 1 carbon, we will use meth. If there are 2 carbons, eth. 3 carbons, prop. 4 carbons, but. 5 carbons, pent. 6 carbons, hex. 7 carbons, hept. 8 carbons, oct. 9 carbons, non. 10 carbons, dec. So next we'll go to the suffixes. Suffixes are of 2 types. Number 1 is primary suffix. For example, if there is single bond between the carbons in a given organic compound, we'll use "-ane", and if there is double bond, we'll use "-ene", and if there is triple bond, we'll use "-ine". And the secondary suffix, it tells about the main functional group. See, as we have different functional groups, we have different suffixes for it. If you will take the topmost priority carboxylic acid, we have oic acid. If you will take aldehyde, we will use al, and if you will take ester, we will use OH, alcohol, ol, and NH2 amine. If there is no functional group, we will use E. That is, for example, think there are 1 carbon and single bond and there is no functional group. We will use meth plus ane plus E. So that is methane. Next, if you will come to the prefixes, it is divided into 2 types. Number 1 is 1 degree prefix. So it is generally used for the cyclic compounds. If it is a ring-like structures. If for example, it is a 5-member ring structures, we will use cyclo. And the next one is secondary prefix. It will tell about the different substance, or if there is any other functional group, we will place that in the secondary prefix. For example, F stands for fluoro, Cl stands for chloro, bromo, iodo, methyl, and OCH3. So this is a very easy method for naming an organic compound, which was told by our great chemistry master Ashok Reddy sir of HSI Educational Institutions. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.